so many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
Hi students, welcome to today's class. How are you dears? Fine? Good. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, Gift of Nature. So first, let's travel through an island. Can you guess the name of this island? No? Okay, don't worry. It's Nauru, a small island in the Pacific Ocean. Nauru is officially known as the Republic of Nauru. It's an island country and a microstate in the Central Pacific northeast of Australia. It is the third smallest country in the world behind Vatican City and Monaco. Its population is the world's second smallest after the Vatican City. This island, which is just 21 square kilometers in area, was once lush green and was the abode of several migratory birds. Nauru is one of the phosphate rock islands. Nauru's economically significant natural resources are phosphates. Due to surrounded by coral and sandy beaches, the island has no natural harbors, no rivers, and no lakes. This island was known as Pleasant Island. It was described as the richest country in the world by the international journal National Geographic in 1976. But now, Nauru is a barren land. The resources are now completely exhausted. Sparsely populated land with exposed coral reefs everywhere. Students, don't you want to know how Nauru became like this? Let's check the reasons. Nauru was rich in phosphate, the mineral used for making chemical fertilizers. The ill fate of Nauru began when Germany established its colony there in 1888 and started phosphate mining. Britain, Australia, and New Zealand also started mining activities following the First World War. Nauru prospered through phosphate mining, but the uncontrolled mining activities led to the extensive clearing of natural vegetation. This led to the extinction of many birds and animals, which resulted in the transformation of environment. Phosphate deposits also got exhausted, turning Nauru to an absolutely poor country in every respect. Nauru, the country which was once rich because of its phosphate mineral resources, but now has become poor due to the depletion of the same. Students, now you might have some questions in your mind like, what are resources? What causes resource depletion? Should these resources be conserved? Etc. Isn't it? This chapter helps you to understand more about resources, resource depletion, and resource conservation. So, students, that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class with the continuation of this chapter. Thank you.